Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would use these cat molds. I'm not sure if I'll get all three done today. I only have a little bit of resin left, so I hope it's enough to at least make one. But I did want to show you. I went to Five Below and I was looking for some art supplies, which I did buy a bunch of different things. But I found these glitter shakers. And I think they're just really nice. They give you a nice variety of different glitters and sequins. So I thought we'd use some of that today. So let me just get them out. We can see what they look like. I need some scissors to open these up. Okay, so. And if you're wondering what these cat molds are, these are great for resting chopsticks or your paintbrushes. They really are adorable. Oh my, they do give you a nice variety. Look at that. So you got some of your holographic ones, and then you have some regular glitters too. You have different shapes, stars and hearts. Oh wow, this is nice. So, let me see. I will take one out. Let's see, which one should we use? Wow, I'm not really sure. I like this one. That's like a glitter and like these little sequins in there. That's kind of nice. I do like pink, and this is the pink holographic, which I already have, but I want to use something a little different. They got little pink hearts. Oh, these are cute. So, let's see, what are these? Oh, wait, this is not glitter. Oh, this is micro beads. Oh, this is nice. And then we get into regular glitter here. And these are the micro beads also. I'm just checking. These are all glitters. These are sequins. And then we got some holographic sequins. And then we got just the holographic flakes to about here. These are the hearts. And then we have down here the ones that are the glitter and the sequins combined, and then we have some stars. This is a really nice selection. So to begin, I'm just going to use a little bit, probably a lot of resin. I'm not sure which one we're going to get done. If we can get two done, I'm not really sure. It doesn't really feel like I have a whole lot of resin in here, and I didn't buy any new resin, so we'll just have to do until I'm able to get more resin. So I'm going to try the little hearts. I'm just going to sprinkle some in. That should be enough. It used maybe about a quarter of that, and we'll just mix it up. Mix it in there. Now if you want, you can also use a glitter with that. I'm thinking maybe some of these little micro beads. Might put some of those in there. That's cute. It does have a little sprinkle thing too, so you could just sprinkle them in. You don't have to take the top off like I did with the other one. Okay, mix that up. Okay. Now I'm going to use my hot air gun on here, so excuse the noise. Okay, let me see. So this is just a regular little kitty that's laid down. This one too. And then this one has his little paws sticking out. So, I'm not really sure. This looks like it takes the least amount. I'm not sure which one though. I'm going to get some tape because I did notice that there's little dusts on there, so I want to make sure the dust is out. Alright, so I think I'm going to do the one with the little paws. I'm going to just do a slow mix. We can mix up a little bit more. And this one has a bigger opening. It's not really a shaker. Just has a little bit bigger opening, whereas this one is more like a shaker. So, add some of those. Mix it up. And we'll just pour that in. Now I do see some bubbles, they're coming up. And it looks like we may need a little more. So what I think I might do is for the rest, I'm just going to add some more resin just to fill it to the top. Okay, and it looks like all the little pieces kind of went down to the bottom, or up, well, it'll be more like towards the top. So I'm just gonna move some of them around just to make sure that I get them all over. And I also have to use my heat gun on it. I just want to get as many of the bubbles out of there as I can. And I see a few right here that it's not catching. Okay, let me just get a baby wipe. Now, even though I'm using clear for this, I may have to do a longer cure because it's such a deep mold. And let's see, I still see some bubbles popping up. Let me just get those really quick. All right, so I was thinking before I start curing this, I can probably do a smaller one. I do have some resin left in here, so might as well use it up for this project. And then I'll be able to get more later, hopefully. Oh, this is really pretty. Now, if you want, you can also do this in stages if you'd like, just so that you'll have like some glitter down there and then, you know, just working its way up. But I don't know, we'll see what happens with these. So this is the, I think I should add a little more. Oops, not that much. So this is the glitter and the sequins. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, I really like this. Okay, so I just need a little bit more. And hopefully I have enough. I'm hoping I do. And if I don't, oh, poor little kitty. This is really pretty. I really like this one. So for $5, you get quite an assortment of glitters. I think that's really nice. Okay, we had just enough. Set that aside. And now I'm going to cure this for 5 minutes on the top, and then I'm going to turn it over and cure it for 5 minutes on the bottom, and I'll be right back. Okay, so they're done curing. They're really pretty. I do wish I had some more resin to do this cat, but that one will just definitely have to wait. So we can take these out and see what they look like. Hopefully they came out really cute. Oh, oh, that is adorable. Let's see this one. Oh, this one came out cute too. Look at that. So I gotta say, at Five Below, for $5 for this pack of glitter shakers, they got a great variety. I can't wait to use them on some other things. But this is great for beginners too, because it's very low in cost and you don't have to put all that expense into buying individual ones. So that is a good buy. And it was inexpensive. $5 is pretty cool. But yeah, look at that. I think they turned out really cute. There's no bubbles, which is really great. See, this one I can see like where those little micro beads, they kind of gathered like towards like the lower part of the mold. So, but that, they still look great. So, if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and press the bell for notifications of upcoming videos. In the description box below, there will be links to all the supplies I used. And there's also a link to my Etsy shop, which is Creations by Laurel. And you'll also find some more links to my jewelry, my artwork, and my photography. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.